What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some brown sugar pork chops, and you're saying to yourself, Black Owl, what are you talking about, brown sugar? Are you out there singing like the Rolling Stones, talking about that brown sugar? I know it tastes so good. Oh, son, I'm not being Mick Jagger tonight. I'm talking about you take some brown sugar and make a glaze for your pork chop. Now, if you want to do that, what you got to have, buddy, that pork chop. And I'm not talking about lamb chop. Remember old lamb chop? That was some silly stuff back in the day. Now, I want some pork chop, Big Daddy. And when I'm talking about the pork chop, I'm talking about these assorted pork chops that you can get at the grocery store. Not too bad of a price. These were gifted to me by my mother-in-law, Michelle. So I want to thank her again because I'm going to make them good tonight. It's going to be good to eat. So let's go ahead and take our chops. And before we even put them in that hot little skillet over there, we got to get them ready to step out the door. We got to get them coordinated, like old John Witherspoon used to say. Got to coordinate. So, gonna go ahead and get our seasonings. First seasoning I want to put on there, a touch of salt, just a touch, not too much because you don't want to go. So, we're gonna put that salt on there, followed by its best buddy, a little bit of that black pepper too. Now, just to kind of give it a little wow factor, let's give it some garlic, some of that garlic, and then keep old Dracula away. Now, little smoky flavors, can be smoky like Willie Nelson's Doorbus, the paprika, just for a little bit of color. Now, before I went ahead and did any of that, I had to put some mustard on there for a little bit of binder. You saw that on there, you said, like, oh, well, what's that? And I said, I'm going to tell you in a minute. Now, the brown sugar, you want that brown sugar on there, so let's go ahead and get that, and I want you to clump it on there pretty darn good, you know what I mean? Just kind of seal it around, make it good, make it delicioso looking, so. And it's going to make a crust, and it's going to make a glaze, and it's going to be good. So, let's go ahead and get our pan. We're going to get it hot to trot, and we're going to get some vegetable oil. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, where does vegetable oil come from? Is it when they do the tune-up on a turnip? No, I'm talking about that, yeah, that's pretty good. I'm talking about that Crisco vegetable oil. Put just a tad bit down in there, because we don't want to burn the bottom of that dang baby. So, we're going to go ahead and put those in there. And it's not going to cook very long, so don't be in the other room playing Kirby's Adventure doing God knows what. Last time I came in there, it smelled like Pepe Le Pew. So, go ahead and put that in there. And I would say, about 5 minutes aside and let it flip. And, you're not really going to cook these on high either. Put them down pretty low. Let them cook low. Because we really don't want this to burn. We just want that good. So, we're going to go ahead and do that. And you're saying to yourself, like, come on. Is this something you could maybe do in the oven or maybe in the crock pot? Maybe they wouldn't burn that way. Well, you could do them in the oven. You could do them in the crock pot. Take a little longer. And you know me, buddy. I ain't got time for the shit up. Skillet's the way today. Gonna go ahead and put them in there, like I said, about 5-10 minutes aside on low. Just kind of check them, flip them. Check them, flip them, maybe 15-20 minutes or so. If it's on low, it may be taking a little longer there, buddy. Hold your horses and go watch some Weird Al videos while you cook, and then you can sing a dance. And then you're going to have a chance and have a sight because they're going to be done. And it's going to be a delight. These brown sugar pork chops tonight. You know what I'm talking about, Daddy? You're going to know here in a minute. I'm telling you what. Alright, baby. The time has come. The brown sugar pork chops are done. And I'm having that first bite for myself, and I got to tell you, the whole house smells beautiful. So, I'm about to dive right in if I can, because these things, I know I'm going to make a mess of myself, but I don't care. So, oh, man, it's like meat candy. Oh, that brown sugar, caramelized on the outside, kind of like a sweetness to it. Wonderful flavor. And since we cooked that pork, kind of medium low, tender, man, good. I don't really want to put it down, but I'm going to put it down for a second to tell you good people to thank yourselves, and I want to thank you too, for stopping by and watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, enough's enough. Back to this stuff, because I got to tell you, damn good. So I'll see y'all next time. Man, that crust.